Hi everyone, I'm Gemma from Preston Bakery in York, and today I have a fantastic opportunity for you to purchase this 2-bedroom semi-detached house in the wonderful village location of Huntington. The current owners have completely transformed the internal of this property and it's beautifully presented inside. If you can see just to behind me, we have off-street parking for roughly 2 to 3 cars. There's also the benefit of a single detached garage to the rear of the property. So I'll take you inside and we'll have a look around. So we enter the property through the side door and we come straight through into the entrance hallway. To the left of me, the current owners have put in some beautiful shelving with solid oak worktops. So I'm currently standing in my personal favourite room of the house, the kitchen. It's a really light and airy, spacious room, and again, it's been completely renovated. It has some really modern appliances, so just to the left of me we have a double electric oven with a ceramic hob, and again we have the oak worktops. It's a really neutral colour and again lets loads of light in. There's also the under counter lights just here. It's a great sized kitchen with plenty of storage. Not only do we have the kitchen units, the kitchen also has the addition of the understair storage, and to the right of me a great sized pantry which houses the boiler, a fridge freezer, and there's a vent for a tumble dryer to be placed in. The property has a fantastic feature which you don't typically see in a 2-bedroom house in this area. As you can see, it's been further extended to the rear, which offers you this fantastic dining area. It's gas central heating. You also have the benefits of the windows all around, which again lets in plenty of sunlight, and there's also a door which will take you out into the rear garden. The property benefits from a really generous sized rear garden. Just to the back we have the Indian stone paved patio area. We have a lovely lawn area for children or family, and there's also the addition of the single detached garage. So we're now standing at the front of the property in the lounge area. Again, it's beautifully presented, very modern decor. We have a lovely bay window to the front, an electric fireplace, and then laminate flooring which leads through into the entrance hallway and the kitchen. One of the features of this property which I particularly like is the larger than average windows to the front of the house. It lets in plenty of sunlight. It's been fitted with wooden slot blinds. If you then take a look around the master bedroom itself, again, the level of finish is impeccable, from the choice of decor, the chrome fittings, and the freshly fitted carpets. The property has a really generous sized second bedroom. There's plenty of space here for a children's bedroom, a home office, or a guest room. So we have a 3-piece family bathroom with a shower over the bath. The walls have been completely tiled. We have vinyl flooring and a really attractive chrome towel railing. So could this be your new home? The property is ideal for first-time buyers, if you're wanting to simply downsize into the village, or if you're looking for a fantastic investment opportunity. Huntington's desirable for many reasons. First of all, we have exceptional schooling in the area. There's also great bus links into York city centre. We then have the Monks Cross and Vanguard shopping centres. There's also plenty of local amenities, shops, dentists, doctors' surgeries, everything you can need for a fantastic village location. This property will be desired by many, so act quick to avoid disappointment. Contact the York branch to arrange a viewing today.